Hi guys, this is my orchard videos. I want to do a little review today and chat about the this is a dark flame or flame dark hydraulic hose crimper, and I've really nothing bad to say about it. It did what it's supposed to do. Great little machine setup. I mean, it's very simple. There's really nothing complicated about it. And the only complaints I have, it is leaking here a little bit. It's weeping here a little bit. See a little bit of oil there. And this gauge or micrometer sucks. It should be something a little better than that. The micrometer itself is kind of hokey. It's kind of loosey goosey here. But I have to actually mark down on what dies to use for my application. You see, it does have a little chart here. So I actually need to mark it. I think it'll work here. So for me, the hose, this is basically outside diameter, and my hose is what I was using is 5/8. So I use like either 14 or 16 on there. So this was, I have to set it at 5 pounds, 5 pounds on the micrometer. So this is what I have here. So, I suggest you get yourself a vernier caliper like this, either plastic or a dial. I mean, whatever have you. Go by the chart. I'll suggest that you get a schematic from this place here. You can download it. It's a PDF file, and you have all the hoses, which that little booklet doesn't have, and all the hoses have their own specs, right? Their own specs here. It tells you exactly what you want to know. Every hose has an increment on it. It'll tell you on the hose what it is. And then it'll tell you what pressure to crimp it at, everything to check it out, what dye to use, what PSI to use, and this all depends on your fittings. So your fittings play a big part on what your settings going to be on your micrometer. See, these are big fittings here, right? This is probably not correct, but I mean, it worked for me. So you need something that actually fits your hose correctly. So if I had known my hose was going to be 5/8 outside diameter, I would have got a different kind of fitting, right? But this worked. But you know, it's not correct, but it worked. So this machine here, the dies are good. It did a great crimping job of the fittings. I'm happy with that. Has lots of other crimps here to do whatever you want to do. They're all marked in there, and you know, they're good quality. I have no complaints about that. Excellent quality on the dies. So there's a couple little things about it, but I mean for the dollar, I mean I paid $1,400 extra for FedEx to ship it to me. So for for 14, I figure if you can get it for between $800 and $1,400, it's a good buy. I mean, this is a good machine for any guy who runs heavy machinery or even light duty machinery for that fact. Many excavators, has a farm, hay equipment, orchard equipment, whatever have you. This is a good investment. It's a good bang for your buck. So, it is. It's a really good value. So that's only two things I have about it: is it leaking here, and this little gauge thing here is not correct, but it's fine. So, great buy. All right, people. Thanks for watching my video. If you find this information helpful, remember to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more product reviews and other things I have in my shop that would help you on your excavating business, and also for farm and orchard or even vineyard applications. Bye for now.